Chef Beast was me showing like very yapheka, bo. So what happened with Chef Beast, I wanted to align it with indlela engipheka ngayo umculo. I've had a lot of people like maybe ngicekethisa bathi I went to chef, I went awaphetha ipoto baselivutse masosiphakela esiri. So that's how Chef Beast came about. Nanokuthi the one song that had an encore, what was iphinde. Mayiqala ithi unjani mayepheka miyekeleni. Yabo, so that's how the Chef Beast concept came about and ngisazopheka. So iChef Beast album series into engakaze ngiyibone yenziwa ngazi noma khona sokwayenza, but the album has 3 parts. In a starters, in a main course, in a dessert. Starters 12 tracks, main course and desserts. So I keep my track as isikhathi sihamba ngifuna abantu banika too much mind. Just want them to enjoy the starters, sayishayela ama livers, ama wings. Sazogawula. I've been in the hip hop. Okay, I've been a hip hop fan since a very young age. Ngisamncane kakhulu kusadume oTupac, no Big, no DMX, no Nas. Back in the 90s. But as a professional musician, ngiqale ngo-2011 ukuthi ngiqale nge-release music, and my first project yawina ama-awards of 6 ngo-2012. So from then I knew ukuthi akusekho ukujikela emuva. I won best newcomer, best mixtape, best video, best male, best singing, sabutha nje kwama-original material awards. We were hosted at Devon Playhouse, and then from there I carried on to win more national awards, my Sahas, and right now we're nominated for I think like 3 categories, Metros, yeah, Sakubega, 13 years later. I've released about 6 projects or 7, 8, I'm not sure. Like, I mean, like I'm the type of guy who plays a span. So, yeah, I think about 6 projects or 7. What makes me differ is my ability to transition seamlessly between isiZulu nesingisi, nokublenda iy'stories zaselokishini, emakhaya nasesilungwini. So I think iyona into abantu abayipick up kakhulu mebelalela umculo wami, nanokuthi umculo wami uhlezi ufuna ukuba ne-message, nento ezokhuthaza umuntu olalele ukuthi aqhubekele phambili. I think that's why iy'ngoma zami isikhathi esiningi phela kuyimali kuney'ngoma ena 10 years abantu basayithanda, basaphosta every day, ukuthi ngivuka ngayo because i-message i-timeless. Noma singayilalela sesamakhehla mina nawe, but it's still gonna have that impact. Part 2 we're looking around July, part 3 we're looking around September. More music. As we're releasing this music, really we're making more music. So there'll always be something coming up. And also you can still expect Beast to appear with Gqom, you can still expect Beast to appear with piano, maskandi, any genre. So this is just an album. So Beast uzoqhubeka kanjalo kanjalo.